Hello students, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are doing great. So today in this class we are going to learn a new lesson of the class 4th, which is the unit 4th A reading. So the name of our lesson is the Miller, his son and his donkey. Okay children? So this is the name of our lesson. Miller. What does the Miller means? So miller is a person who grinds grains into flour. In Hindi, we will call it as a chakki wala. Okay, everybody knows who is chakki wala, the one who grinds the wheat and convert it into flour, atta, which is called chakki wala. So this is the story of the miller, his son and his donkey. So without any further delay, let's start the story and see what the story is going to tell us about. One day, a miller and his son drive their donkey to market. Okay students, so one day what happened? The miller and his son went into the market along with his donkey. Soon a group of girls sees them and breaks out laughing. A group of girls were looking the miller and his son and they started laughing. Look, cries one. Look at those fools. They are walking on foot when the donkey can carry one of them on his back. So what the girls are saying? ये देखो कितने बेवकूफ है ये लोग. They are walking on the road while जबकि donkey इनके साथ है. Any one person can sit on the donkey and they can go on the road. That is why the girls were laughing. How fool they are that they are having donkey but no one is sitting on the donkey. They both, the miller and the son, are walking. This seems to make sense. Seems means look like. So this looks like to make sense. So the miller lifts his son onto the donkey, marches along happily. So what happened when the miller and his son जब ये बात सुने तो उन्हें जो है लगा कि अरे हाँ ये तो बिल्कुल सही बात है. So the what did the miller did? Miller lift up his son and he has put his son on the donkey. और उसने जो है miller ने क्या किया? अपने son को donkey पर बिठा दिया. And they were happily going on the road. They walk for a while until they meet an old man. अभी उन लोग थोड़ी दूर ही जा रहे थे. What happened? Suddenly they met an old man. The old man shouts at the son. What happened? That the old man was shouting at the son. Where the son is sitting on the donkey. You should be ashamed of yourself. You look so lazy rascal, you are riding on the donkey when your poor old father has to walk. So what did the old man said here? That you are so lazy rascal that you should walk and your father who is very much old is walking and he should sit on the donkey. Yes or no students? Yes, we should give respect to our elders. This is the sense that we have to grab it, that यहाँ पे old man ने क्या कह रहा है कि son को lazy rascal, you come down from the donkey, your father should sit on the donkey, he is walking on the road and he is old. Get down and let your father rest his old bones. As I said, so the old man said, get down, come down from the donkey, let your father sit on the donkey. As you can see in the picture students, red with shame, the boy gets down and make his father get into the donkey's back. So he was feeling so shameful. If someone scold us, how we will feel? We'll so feel bad. Here also happened with the same happened with the son. He was feeling so ashamed. Suddenly he come down from the donkey and his father get onto the donkey's back and his father sat on the donkey's back. Now let's see what will happen next. They go little further. They met a gang of young fellows who mock at them. What happened after next? After his father sat on the donkey's back, his father has sat it. So they had started moving little bit further. थोड़ी ही दूर पे उन लोग जाने लगे थे. Suddenly they met a gang of young fellows. Young fellows means एक young group लोगों का, young people का group उन्हें देखने को मिला. And what this young group were doing? They were mocking at them. Mocking means making fun of. So this gang of people had started making fun of them. What a cruel old man. There he sits, selfish and comfortable. What these people are saying? कितना cruel old man है. Cruel means the one who is always thinking about ourselves. Selfish है ये आदमी. And comfortably he is sitting on the donkey. So this young group is saying to that miler how the miler is selfish and how comfortably he is sitting on the donkey's back. The poor boy has to stumble along the dusty road. Stumble along, walk unsteadily. Ye young group, what they have started seeing, that the small boy son is walking unsteadily. Walking unsteadily means बहुत ही slow, feeling low energetic. सही से वो चल भी नहीं पा रहा था. Quickly he was not able to walk. धीरे धीरे चल रहा था. Maybe he was tired. It means walk unsteadily. So hence this group has said this poor boy has to stumble along, walk unsteadily along the dusty road. रोड इतनी जो है फुल पोल्यूटेड डस्टी से थी. सो दिस गैंग वॉज सेइंग दैट दिस लिटिल बॉय वॉज वॉकिंग सो अनस्टीडली. So the miler lift up his son up and the two of them ride along. Suddenly after hearing from this young gang, what did the miler did? Miler suddenly lift up his son and both of them had sat on the donkey's back and ride along them. However, before they reach the marketplace, a townsman stops them. अभी वो लोग मार्केट की प्लेस पे जा ही रहे थे. थोड़ी दूर आफ्टर दे बोथ सैट ऑन द डोंकीज बैक एंड दे आर मूविंग स्लोली. सडनली अभी मार्केट की प्लेस दे डिड नॉट रीच ऑल्सो. दे मेट अ टाउन्समैन and that townsman stopped them. As you can see in the picture, students, that a man is telling to stop and making them to wait. Stop. Townsman means village का जो होता है, the person who belongs to the village, that is called townsman. उन्हें जो है रोक दिया. Have you no feeling for dumb creatures? So what did this townsman said? तुम्हारे पास कोई feeling नहीं है for the dumb creatures. Dumb means the one who cannot speak. So here who is the creature? Donkey. So the town man who is very old is saying, don't you have any feeling for the creatures who doesn't speak? That means animals who could not speak. So the town man is saying to the donkey, he shouts, the way that you load that little animal is a crime. That the old man, that the town man was shouting, ये बहुत ही गलत है, that is a crime, that you guys have put so much of load on the little animal. Yes students, we should always think about this, that the animals who could not speak doesn't have his life. Yes, they are having their own life also. If they could not speak doesn't mean they feel hurt or pain. Yes, they feel hurtings, they also get pain. Same way that the old man from the town belongs to the town saying the same. ये बहुत ही गलत है कि आप लोग ने डोंकी के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा लोड डाल दिया है, which is a little animal and this is a crime. ये बहुत ही गलत है and this is crime means rules के against कुछ करने गए तो it will become a crime. गुनाह है. It means it is a गुनाह in Urdu word. You two men better carry the poor little animal. So what did this town man said? You two men. Two men. Who is the two men here? The miler and his son. Better carry the poor little animal. Carry means अभी donkey को ही अभी साथ लेकर चलो. Wanting to do the right thing, the miler and his son get off the donkey. As soon as they heard the words of the old man, town man, they suddenly come out of the donkey's back. They tie his legs together, sling him on a pole and carry him on their shoulders. What happened next? What did the old man said? That the town man said, it is better you two men carry the animal, poor little animal. So what they did, the miler and the son tie his legs together, sling him on a pole. Sling means tie and carry. Okay. So they carry their legs. These two persons has carried the donkey's leg and carry him on their shoulders. तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि डोंकी को जो है कोई रोप से उसके पाँव को टाई कर दिए और उसे जो है शोल्डर पर उठाकर ले जा रहे थे. Why? Because it is a poor little animal. Slowly they reach a river bank on their way. So what they have doing here, after they put the donkey on their shoulder, they were slowly moving. In between what they had saw, suddenly they saw a river on their way. उनके रास्ते में एक उन्हें river मिल गई. When a crowd at the river bank sees, crowd means with so many people, बहुत सारे लोग थे river के पास, sees this, they laugh very loudly. What happened? The people were started laughing at the miller and his son. Why? Because they were carrying little animal donkey on their shoulders. So the crowd which were at the river side, बहुत सारे लोग जो है माइलर और सन पे जो है हंस रहे थे, and that too very loudly. The donkey gets frightened after hearing the laughing of the people, so many people. The donkey got frightened. Frightened means scared. Donkey got scared. Kicks through the ropes did bound him, and suddenly what did the donkey did? Kick out the ropes that bounded him. Suddenly he tear those ropes. Why? Because that bounded him. Why? Because he did. इसने ये सब क्यों किया? That the people were laughing at him and he was so much scared, and he bounded and he tear that rope. Kick कर दिया वो rope को जिससे उसे बांधे थे. As soon as the donkey kicked the rope, the pole, he was on that pole, he suddenly falls off the pole into the river. Students, as you can see the picture, after the donkey got scared, he kicked off the pole. He was hanging on that pole, and that pole was being taken by the miller and his son on their shoulders. As you can see in the picture, suddenly he kicked off the pole, and the pole, what happened? Poles fall into the river, and the donkey also falls into the river. Kicks through the rope that bounded him, it falls off the pole into the river. What happened? He was very much scared. At the end, the donkey fall into the river. He was frightened, बहुत ज़्यादा scared था और उसने जो है kick कर दिया. As soon as he kicked it, the pole has fallen into the river and the donkey went into the river. In this way, we have completed the story. So what are the new meanings which we have learned from this story are? Seems. Seems means looks like, mock, making fun of, stumble along, walk unsteadily. Unsteadily, slowly. The person who gets tired cannot walk properly. Sling, tie and carry. Dumb, the person who cannot speak. Try to learn these meanings and use in your vocabulary, students, to improve your grammar and English language. In this way, we have completed the story. In the next class, we'll start the grammar and its activities. Till then, take care. Thank you.